I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you test questions from Linear Relations Grade 9. You can pause the video, copy some of these questions, solve them. We'll look into question number 5 in this particular video. The question here is, the amount a spring will stretch varies directly with the mass attached to the spring. If a spring stretches 12 centimeters when 8 kg is attached, how far will it stretch when 11 kg is attached, right? So that's the question we'll look into. Here's another question which you can copy. We have already had a video on this. This one is regarding the fitness club rate. So you can pause the video, copy some of these questions, practice for your own test. Now, here is solution to the question on spring. The question here is, the amount a spring will stretch varies directly with the mass attached to the spring. If a spring stretches 12 centimeters when 8 kg is attached, how far will it stretch when 11 kg is attached, right? So that is the question. So since it is a direct variation, what do you conclude? Direct variation means kind of ratio, right? So whenever you have direct variation, you can use ratios. What do we need to find? We need to find distance it is going to stretch, right? So we say let the distance be d. Let distance be d, right? In that case, for 11 kg, we can write distance d over 11 kg should be equal to, distance is 12 centimeters, right? 12 centimeters over 8 kg. Do you see that? 8 kg. So in direct variation, you can simply work with ratios and get your answer, right? So if you equate them, you can find what d is. So d will be 12 divided by 8 times 11, right? That gives you the answer in centimeters, right? So we'll do 12 times 11 divided by 8 equals to 33 by 2, or in decimals 16.5. So we get 16.5 centimeters, right? So that is how you could easily solve such a question, correct? So remember, direct variation has a constant rate. So it has a constant rate, and therefore we found this. And in this particular case, that constant rate is 8 over 12, or you could simplify this. 8 will go 1.5 times. So the constant rate is 1.5, right? So that rate is constant for a direct variation, and therefore we did it like this. So that is probably the simplest way of solving such a question. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.